Hi, this is Anna from Phenomena Paints, and I'm back with the spice rack we are working on. I have done some work with it. I have put some pieces, the resin casts here. You can see the resin casts are here. I have added some resin casts. You can see them here. And I have done some other work here on this side. We were doing that the last time and I worked on it and I filled it on the sides and made them proper. And today I'm going to be working on shelves. I have some transfers. This is redesigned with Prima transfers, like I'm using as per I need. So I have some settings here. This one goes here and this one goes here and this one goes here like this. So I'll be doing the transfer on the shelves and then we will be painting a little bit. So let me first to do the transfer. We have this stick which comes with the transfer and I'm just going to rub it, take off the back of this like this. Take off the back and just stick it here and rub it with the stick. It's very easy, no problem at all when you are doing it. You just have to make sure that when you're doing it there is no top coat on the paint because the transfer needs a bit of roughness to get attached with the surface. Yeah. So this shelf is almost done. You will know instantly that it's attached now and you can take off the vinyl. Okay, there. Okay, so this one's gone. Let's do this one. So I'm again taking off the white paper behind it and I'm going to stick it where I want it to go. Press it a little bit and it will adhere or it will stick to the surface and then you can start rubbing. And it will start attaching. When you push and rub it over the vinyl, it will start attaching to the surface of the wood. And just pick one side. And start taking out the vinyl. If you have a small piece of transfers stuck to the vinyl, you can put it back and rub it from there, and it'll get attached. Don't even have to rub very hard, just have to push a little bit in. Okay, so that's done. It looks like this. You can see the shelf. So let me do the other side. There's one left here, so I'm going to put that here. Yeah, or here. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's take off the backing and let's stick it here. Okay, so I'll take this one now. It's really stuck. Yeah, okay. This time it helped. Okay, so there you go. Yep. Okay, the other one. So I'm taking the back out again and I'm sticking this one here. Okay, take the stick and start rubbing. Okay. Okay, so last piece now going on. You can cut them whatever way you want to put it. You don't have to use the whole transfer. I always cut them and I use the pieces whatever I like. As per the size of the surface I'm trying to put this transfer on. So it doesn't really matter. You can cut them every which way. Okay. So all the shelves are done. I'll show you how they look. This is how they look. See, this is the first shelf, second and the third, and this is how they look. I've made sure that they are on the front, like the words should be properly placed so you can see them. Now I am going to use a bit of powder on the sides this way. So I'm going to put it this way. See that?